Now radicals. A radical may be defined an atom or group of atoms of the same or different elements which carries charge and behaves as a single unit. There are two types, basic radical and acid radical. Basic radicals. The radicals carry positive charge called basic radical, that is electropositive or cation. The radical having unit positive charge which is known as monovalent. Okay, 2 unit of positive charge are called divalent. Okay, and 3, 4, 5 positive charge they are called trivalent. Okay, tetravalent and pentavalent. Okay, 3 means tri, 4 means tetra, 5 means penta. Okay, basic radicals. Now acid radicals. The radicals have negative charge on it is called acid radical, that is electronegative radical or anion. The radicals having a unit negative charge called monovalent, having 2, 3 or 4 unit of charge called divalent, trivalent and tetravalent. Okay, so these are radicals. These are known as radicals. Okay, now writing the name of a compound. Compound formed by combination of metal and non-metals. Okay, we can say the metal element is written on the left hand side and non-metal always written on the right hand side. For an example, we can say the naming the compound, the metal ion is named as such and the name of non-metal is changed to ide. You can say ide. NaCl, sodium chloride, potassium iodide, calcium bromide. Okay, a calcium nitride. So we can say combination between metal and non-metals. Okay, when metal atom is combined with non-metal atoms, so ide, it is changed, non-metal will change into ide. Okay, sodium chloride, potassium iodide, calcium bromide, etc. Now compound formed by combination of 2 different non-metals. We are talking about the 2 different non-metals. See, the less electronegative non-metals on the left hand side and more electronegative metal is on the right hand side. Okay, less electronegative non-metal is written on the name, more electronegative more non-metals to ide. We can say to ide. For an example, HCl hydrochloride, H2S hydrogen sulfide. It means 2 different non-metal elements, 2 different non-metal elements. Okay, and compounds containing more than one atom. Compounds containing more than one atom of non-metallic elements. We can say mono, di, tetra and penta. CO carbon monoxide, SO3 sulfur trioxide, CO2 carbon dioxide, PCl3 phosphorus trichloride, CCl4 carbon tetrachloride, PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride. Okay, when the same 2 non-metals combine to form different compounds. See, nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, dinitrogen trioxide, tetraoxide, pentaoxide, etc. When hydrogen is first element in the formula, then no prefix. Okay, remember this one, di, tri, etc. See, H2S, it is hydrogen sulfide, not di, not tri. Okay, and compound containing 3 elements, one of which is oxygen. It means we should add 8. What will add? 8 in the ending. Okay, see, NaNO3 sodium nitrate, NaNO2 sodium nitrite, CaSO4 calcium sulfate, CaSO3 calcium sulfide, calcium phosphate, etc. Here, when more than 2 possibilities, just as 8 or 8, ending extended with halogen atoms, so it means 8 or 8 means they are hypo or 8 or hypo 8. We can say hypo. Okay, for an example, just you can see here KCl, KClO. See, potassium hypochlorite. The number of oxygen atom is less than 2. Oxygen number is 2. So it means potassium chlorite. Potassium chlorate. 8. Okay, hypo. Then 4. Potassium perchlorate. Okay, so you should remember this one. Some tricks I am giving you. This one, naming of a compounds with variable valencies. Okay, the ending ic is given in the name of the compound in which metal shows higher valency, and os is given to the name of the compound in which the metal shows lower valency. We can say lower valency. How? Just see, CuCl. It is named as cuprous chloride because here the valency of copper is 1. This is known as copper chloride, copper first chloride. CuNO3 twice, cupric nitrate because the valency for copper is 2. Copper nitrate. FeO, ferrous oxide, because here the valency of iron is 2. It is iron second oxide, you can say. Okay, like that we can name it. Next one, acid. Acid, hydrochloric acid, hydro, ic. HBr, hydrobromic, hydrofluoric acid. Okay, some basics. OH, bases, OH, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, barium hydroxide. Okay, I hope that just you had understand this one.